Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to lock and protect cells in Google Sheets. What this means is if you want to share your spreadsheet with someone else and you don't want them to make changes to certain cells, you can lock those cells so that no one else can make changes except for yourself. Or you can even customize it so that you and a few others can make changes to it depending on the permissions you want to set. So to lock and protect cells, go ahead and select the cells that you want to lock. Then go up to Data, and then Protect Sheets and Ranges. A tab's going to open up, and here you can enter a description. This is just the title that you'd like to describe this set of data. So in this case, I could just name it Store IDs. And the reason you want to have a description here is if I do decide to come back and lock a different column, I would want to know which column I am modifying if I need to see or make changes to my locked cells. And then down here, you can see the range of data is on the Store tab, which I'm on, ranging from D3 to D16. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set permissions. Again, you can change the permissions to only you or custom if you want more than just yourself to be able to do this. And then select Done. And now if I go and try and make a change to this data, it's not locked for me because I have the ability to change it. It will still work like normal. However, if I go over to this other tab, on this tab, I'm on a different account. I'm no longer on my quik.video account. So if I try and make a change right here, it's not gonna let me do it. And I can confirm that the cells are locked because if I go up to View, Show, and I select protected range, I put a check next to it, it's going to show that these are all the protected ranges on this sheet. And I cannot make any changes to it, but I can make changes to anything else that's not protected, like so. And that is how you protect cells in Google Sheets. I hope you found this quick video useful. If you did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and I hope to see you all in future quick videos.